stop. This from just a single piece of paper. You can create this adorable bunny. Start with a square sheet of paper. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Fold it into a triangle. Then fold it again into a smaller triangle. Now, fold both sides upward. These will become the bunny's ears. Flip the paper over and fold the bottom part upward. Adjust the folds and gently shape the ears to make them look more alive. If you like, draw little eyes and a nose to make it even cuter.
Another in a slipper by the clean new socks. Left a sticky fingerprint on the fridge door too. Blamed it on the goldfish, said it wasn't me. It said moo.
Wait, what?
Hop, 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 Easter bunny, don't stop. Hop, hide those eggs where we can't spot. On the bookshelf in the toy robot. Hop, 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 you're a wiggly rascal. You rascal. Snacking on the frosting castle till we roll on the floor and laugh and laugh. Did you eat the cookies?
Only half.
I swear. Did you sip the soda?
Just to check it was there.
Then his tummy rumbled like a bouncing drum, and he whispered, "Oopsie, guess I ate some."
Just some.
Hop, 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 Easter bunny, don't stop. Hop, hide those eggs in the flower pots. On the windowsill, in the socks we forgot. Hop, 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 giggle till we drop. Drop, cartwheel, wiggle, wiggle, pop till we all fall down and laugh and laugh. Hop.
Hop.
Who's that blur with the cotton tail? Crumbs on his whiskers and a jelly bean trail.
Tiptoe, tiptoe.
Through the garden gate, Easter bunny snuck in, way past late. Carrot in his pocket, chocolate on his chin, said, "I'm just,
Taste testing.
with a big silly grin.
Just one more.
Hop, hop, pop, Easter bunny, don't stop. Hide those eggs where we can't spot. Under dad's shoe in the flower pot. Hop, 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 make it tricky and tough. We'll search all day, can't get enough, till we fall on the grass and laugh and laugh. He put one egg in the cereal box, another in a slipper by the clean new socks. Left a sticky fingerprint on the fridge door too. Blamed it on the goldfish, said it wasn't me. It said moo.
Wait, what?
Hop, 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 Easter bunny, don't stop. Hop, hide those eggs where we can't spot. On the bookshelf in the toy robot. Hop, 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 you're a wiggly rascal.
And
You rascal. Snacking
done
on the frosting
your
castle
super
till we
cute
roll
origami
on
bunny.
and laugh and
Easy,
laugh.
right? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun
I
tutorials.
swear. Did you sip the soda?
Just to check it was there.
Then his tummy rumbled like a bouncing drum, and he whispered, "Oopsie, guess I ate some."
Just some.